Hi guys, welcome to Lucky Vision. In today's video I will be teaching you guys how to create your lookalike avatar just like me. So let's get started.
So guys, the first thing that you should do is to go to your ChatGPT. This is let me show you the ChatGPT app. Go to your ChatGPT app. So this is the ChatGPT app. If you don't have it, download it from the Play Store. Then open it. Sign up with your Gmail or your email. My own is like this because I've already signed in. So once you come to your ChatGPT after signing in, the interface will show like this. So once you get your ChatGPT, because you want to create an image that looks exactly like you want to create your own avatar, what you should do is to click here, this place that looks like image. Just click here, then bring in your picture, the picture that you want to use. So this is the picture I want to use. I'll just tap on it and click on add here and allow it to load. So the picture has already been loaded. So I would then paste in the prompts that I want to use. So this is the prompts I used. Generate a 3D female cartoon character from that image. That is the image I just imported. Age 25 years old with 12 inches black hair. With 12 inches black wig on her head, sitting in a YouTube studio written Lucci Vision with backlight, wearing a black shirt with the name Lucci Vision printed in the front. So all you just need to do is to click on this download icon here for it to generate your prompts. So we are waiting for it to generate your image. So we are waiting for it to generate our image. You can see image processing image. Lots of people are creating images right now, so this might take a bit. We will notify you when when your image is ready. So we'll have to wait for the image to get ready, then so that we'll use the image to create our own avatar. So we'll be right back to check our image. Guys, our image has been created. Can you see how beautiful it is? Go on your image and click on this save icon here and save your image. So for us to turn our image to video, we're using Dreamina AI. All you need to do is to come here and click on Google and type in Dreamina CapCut AI. Dreamina, okay, this is it. So this is it. This is Dreamina CapCut AI. I'll just click on it. Once it opens like this, you click on this Dreamina, this first one here. Click on it. There's something I want to tell you guys here. Once you come to this Dreamina AI like this, you click on this AI image like this. As you can see, all these features here, they are not working if you are in Nigeria, but you don't need to panic. I will show you how it work for you anywhere you are. All you need to do is to come out from this Dreamina AI and go to your Chrome store and go to your Play Store and download Thunder VPN. So this is Thunder VPN here. Download it from your Play Store, then click on it. All you just need to do is to click on it, then click on connect here. It has been connected. Can you see connected? It has been connected. Then go back to the Dreamina AI. Once you come to this Dreamina AI, click on this AI image here. Can you see? Most of this, just the features here, all of them, most of them you can use them now, especially the one that I want to use for this image. So the next thing that you should do is to click on this AI avatar here. Just click on it. It will bring out this avatar here. You click on this image sign here. Just click on it to import your image from your gallery. Once you click on it, just import any of the image that you want to use. Import, click on it and click on done to import it. So we are waiting for our image, but as we are waiting for our image to load, then let's write. If you come here, you will see the character says then action discretion. So the character says what you want your image, what you want your character to say. You just type it here. So I've already copied what I want my character to say. I'll place it here. The action discretion is how you want your character to behave while saying what you want it to say. Like, I'll just write image talking, shaking the head, and then natural gesture. That's how I want my image to behave while talking. After writing what you want your image to say and how you want your character to behave, you come here and select any of the voices here. So I'll just be checking all of them to know which one to select.
Hi guys, welcome to Lucky Vision. In today's video,
Hi guys, welcome
to Lucky Vision. In today's video I will be teaching
So
you
I'm
guys
choosing
how to
Queen.
create your lookalike avatar just like me. So let's get started.
So I've chosen Queen. See how I chose the voice. You have to come here and select the voice that you want to use. But if you have pre-recorded your own voiceover that you want to use, all you just need to do is to come to this upload audio. Click on this upload audio to upload the voiceover that I've already recorded. So once I'm done, the next thing I will do is to click on this download icon here to turn our image to video. So we are waiting for it. Let's wait for a video. For you to download it, you just need to click on the video. You just click on a video like this and look at download here at the top here. Just click on download and download it.
Hi guys, welcome to Lucky Vision. In today's video I will be teaching you guys how to create your lookalike avatar just like me. So let's get started.